Hello, hello, hello. How are you? This is Elskipney from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went Scaventure. It was just a little one. I went to one store. One store. But, I can fix that tomorrow. The thing is that Savers has gotten so weird that, like, they don't know who's coming and going, and at one point I was in the store walking by the door, and the lady went, "You can't go in." I was like, "Lady, I've been in here for 20 minutes." So I went Scaventure. I'm going to show you what I got. So the first thing I got was these. I know, right? How stupid is that? But here's the thing. I like these because I can use them to sort stuff in out my warehouse. So when I can get 3 of them for $1.50, that's a good deal. These are actually pretty tough. So the next thing I got was bags. I didn't really get anything except bags and that's it. So I got this. And I bought this because I saw this. And I thought that was cool. Somebody would want these. So I grabbed them. And let's see what the bonuses are. Fishing. What is that? I think it's a train. I'm not sure. Some trash. Some Brenda Walton. Half a pack of butterflies. A Tinkerbell. And this was the other thing that I saw in here that I liked. These little tape dispensers. I love these washi tape dispensers. They hold like 3-4 rolls of washi tape, and you can just put them on your workstation and use them so that if you're using washi tape, it's easier to use. And then there was this one, and this is jewel tone printed ribbon, 6 yards. They're kind of cute. So, I grabbed those. Then there was this other K & Company, Grand Adhesions, the princess one. So, I grabbed it. What the heck? And then I saw this one, and pretty much this was all I had, and there was a huge line, and I was like, I'm going to go see if the Amy found anything. If she didn't, we're out of this pop stand. But she found something. So we stood in line. And because she had found some stuff, I said, all right, well, I'll grab a few other things. Yeah, these weren't my first choices, but, I grabbed them. So this one is a bag in a bag. So this is what I liked. I thought it was stinking cute, right? And it's kind of glittery and stuff. So let's open this bag. Let's see what this stuff is. All right. So I kind of knew it was all cards and stuff. So I wanted to just see. So there was a couple of these. These were really cute. Look at these things. They're stinking adorable, right? And they're huge. Who knows? And then there were all kinds of like regular cards in here. And if nothing else, I can always use the envelopes. But, sometimes the cards are fun too. So we grabbed that. Some paper dividers for cards. Let's see what we got. These are giant recipe cards. I mean, that's a giant recipe card. Okay, that's cool. And then there's like some notes. And these are funky envelopes. I have to give those to the Amy. Yep, these all have to go in the vat. Just some funky envelopes. That's cool. I like it. All right. What else? So, I'm doing this thing. The Las Vegas Crafters Guild. And, it's just a group of older ladies that, they promote handcrafts. And I've been to some of the craft fairs here, and it's mostly commercial stuff. And their thing is you cannot make anything that's commercial So I figured I'd go down and do, it's only $20 for a table. So I figured I'd go down and set up some of my journals that I have, that I have sitting around. And I needed some new stands, and I found this one, little wire stand, and I found this one, and I thought that would be a good, for some of the heavier journals. This would help hold them up. So I grabbed that. It's kind of cool. So I grabbed that. It was $1. I'm cheap. What else did I get? So in the kids department, I found this. Now, 90% of this bag is garbage, but I'll tell you what. For the price I paid, it was more worth what I wanted out of the bag. So let's open this up and get this out of here. So, there was this little gift bag, and this little gift bag, and this little gift bag, which I'll probably save for Christmas. And they had these white pom-poms in here. Really don't know what I would do with them. No idea. Probably give them to the grandkids to make something. But what I wanted was this, and this is the 23-piece layered accents Disney die cuts from EK Success. That's all I really wanted in there. These are out of print, and so, I grabbed that. Yes, sometimes I grab a giant bag for one item. Here's another example of that. So I got this bag. Let me get this out of here. And the only reason I wanted it was for this one item right here. I wanted that stencil. That's it. So I grabbed the whole bag. So what else did we get? We got a little paper notebook. We got another little paper notebook that's missing its magnet. Oh, there's its magnet right there. Cute. And some paper. Some magnets. Oh my goodness. Extra strong for heavier items. Oh God, these things are huge. Ugh, and they are very stuck together. Okay, those aren't coming apart anytime soon. And then there was this set of snap caps in here. I love my dachshund. Yeah, garbage. I have no idea. But I got the stencil, and that's all that matters, right? Okay. All right, and then I grabbed this one. All right. So, Elmer's glue. Use it all the time. Probably a decent idea. Then there was a couple of packs of these skulls, and I thought those are cute. There's some index cards in here, some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stickers, some Batman stickers, a whole bunch of colored pencils, which my grandkids will love. But what I bought this for was this, which was the stuff that was up front. That's for the grandkids. I have had these before, and I love to send these out, like as, the thing that I put to kind of buffer something a little lumpy in a package. So that's the front of the envelope. And just a beautiful little envelope and gorgeous little cards. And I love these little cards, and they're kind of on the expensive side, so to find them in the thrift stores, pretty cool. These are tree-free greetings. This is paper made with alternative means. So I like these cards, and because they're not made from trees, of course, they're a little more expensive. But I do love these cards, and I've had a few sets of them before, so I got those. And that was pretty much it, guys. That was like my whole Scaventure today. That was it. I got a whole bunch of stuff I didn't want to get a couple of things that I wanted. And I got a few surprises. So that's even cooler. But that was it. So if you haven't done so already, do me a favor and hit the red button for me and ring my bell like me, How does that go? I don't know. hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. That's how it goes. Till I see you again next time, guys. Bye-bye.